Hey everybody, it's day 13 of Vlogmas. We promised you cookies. Let's do it.
Merry Vlogmas 2022.
Hey everybody, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Bill.
And we're nursing our travel bug.
We've been full-time RVing for over 5 years now.
And we document our journey right here on YouTube. But for the next 25 days, we are participating in Vlogmas, where we release a video every single day.
Make sure you start at day 1 so you know what's happening. And subscribe and ring that notification bell.
Now, on to today's episode.
Alright, let's start with the ingredients. You're going to need 1/4 cup of butter, 3/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, or like we said, we're going to try the sun butter, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 1/4 cup of quick oats. In a small saucepan over medium-low heat, melt the butter. When the butter is melted, add the milk, sugar, and cocoa powder. Stir, slowly bringing the mixture to a boil. Boil for 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. I never let it sit too long without stirring. Now remove that from the heat. Add your peanut butter or sun butter and vanilla. Stir it up. Add the quick oats, not all at once because you may not need all of them. You don't want the mixture to be too runny or too dry. Climate and altitude can affect the amount needed, and stir evenly until coated. Lay out a small piece of wax paper. Drop by the spoonfuls onto the wax paper. Let cool and enjoy. That's right, it's that easy. Pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
And it's kind of cool on, I guess, a personal note. These are something my mom used to make and that I would enjoy, and it kind of stinks that Will can't have that, but we used our noodle. Now he can. He's doing the sun butter version. We'll wait till those set up a little bit, then we'll try one and see if the magic worked.
The cookies feel a little squishy and moist. Maybe they're not done, but we're gonna go ahead and try them anyway.
Barney, come here. Come here.
Bussin'.
Bella even snuck a bite of one. What do you
She
think?
doesn't like them.
It's good.
It's good. Brian, did you sneak a bite of one? No, but I'd like to. Mmm. Tastes like sunflowers. Mine still look a little too moist, so I'm gonna let them sit how they should dry out and be absolutely delicious. You just gotta take my word for it. Or you can make them yourself. Then you'll know for sure. Well, thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell.
So you know when we post more Vlogmas videos, or just our normal ones.
That's right. Well, I'm Bill.
And I'm Will.
And we are nursing our travel bug, encouraging you to nurse what makes you happy. That's a nice, tasty,
Cookie.
no-bake cookie.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
Secret word. No bake.
No